This is really quite difficult. I'm just gonna say a bunch of stuff until I get the right thing. Yeah, like that. You don't have to put it in. Some of this stuff is just for us. It's like amazing. It's just such a good feeling. It's just welcome to this month's Lush Reveals, where we will be showing you Synesthesia Spa update, some new retro merch, maybe some new hair care products that could be coming out, and we have a new community space on Discord. First up, Synesthesia Spa update. I'm gonna see how many times I can say Synesthesia Spa update. Synesthesia Spa update. The Synesthesia Spa treatment is an 80-minute signature treatment. Activates all of your senses. Touch, the smell, the sound, the feel, the taste, even the taste. Who would have thought? Unlike other spas, our treatments are designed around you and designed around your needs and how you want to feel at the end of it. Before your treatment, you'll have a consultation with our masterful spa therapists who will work out and understand your every need so that they can tailor the treatment to exactly what you need. The spa is available in Bath, Birmingham, Cardiff, Edinburgh, Leeds, Liverpool, London in Oxford Street, and Poole. To purchase or book a treatment, you can find this in the links down below in the description. And just so you know, you can do this via popping into your local spa or ringing up a spa store. Let's do retro merch. Got it all on. Oh, there's a bag. How cool is this? How fun is that? In case you didn't have enough Lush merch in your life, we're doing another merch drop. We have the t-shirt, the socks, and we also have a drawstring bag dropping in store in Anchors on August 10th. For the latest updates on this new merch collection, make sure you sign up to our email newsletter, which you can find in the description down below. Next up, new hair care products. We have some new sea salt shampoos. Swell and Rehab. We purchased our sea salt from a salt marsh in Portugal, which is home to hundreds of species of migratory birds. The salt is collected in a traditional way as to not disturb these birds, which is pretty amazing. It shows that we can live in coexistence with nature if we choose to, and if we want to. And it's all part of us leaving the world lusher than we found it. Next up is the Rehab Salty Shampoo. This does all the great things that Rehab does, but with added sea salt for exfoliation and volumizing your hair. If I just smush this, you can kind of hear the sea salt. Very nice. Another one of our salty shampoos is Swell. Now this is a new product for us, which is very exciting. Swell has a really interesting list of ingredients. It has tooth-racked seaweed, bladder wax seaweed, and sea kelp. And the seaweed is actually harvested from the coastline of Poole. The seaweed and the kelp, that's what really makes this product work. And what makes this product smell great is the patchouli. So there's this really lovely blend of ingredients which just smells incredible but actually really does something for your hair. This is great for people who love that ocean feeling, who want supersized hair and really love volume and shine in their hair also. We purchase our patchouli oil from Indonesia from, oh it smells good, it's so good, from an organisation that actually help protect the endangered orangutans. Next up, Violet Cream, a toning conditioner. A perfect addition to your Daddy-O shampoo routine. Violet Cream works to tone, add shine, and add luster back to your locks. It's a purple colour because it's actually opposite yellow on the colour chart wheel. Just so you can have a little look. And it's great for neutralising yellow colours in your hair. Our producer is currently sat in the corner of the room, I think plotting ways in which she can take this home. She's been using Daddy-O for the past 15 years religiously, every day, and has been waiting for a purple conditioner to come out. And this is it. If you're like our producer and are really excited about this product, let us know in the comments down below. Next up is Hennaed Hot Oil Treatment. Hennaed hot oil treatment is great for brunettes and redheads who want to add shine and gloss to their hair, and is great for restoring some luster to your hennaed hair. It's actually quite handy because they've included the how to use on this lovely stick here. Add some hot water to a cup, stir it round until it turns into a mousse-like substance, wait for it to cool down, apply to your hair, and then after you've waited 20 minutes, you go and can shampoo and condition your hair for the best results. This hot oil treatment is really good to use in between the times when you henna your hair. So if you henna your hair 1 month and you just need like a little top up, you know, you just want to keep everything looking amazing, then this is a great product to do that. Just a little top up. All these hair care products that we've shown you will be launching on August the 17th. Now, Swell and Salty Rehab will be arriving in a 600 gram tub, whilst Violet Cream will be in a 90 gram, 200 gram and 400 gram pot. And the Hennaed hot oil will be coming out on a stick. Finally, Lush is on Discord, and I did set it up, so you might see my face appear every now and again in there. This Discord server is a great place if you're a Lushie, just to be able to chat with other Lushies. No judgment. You can find the link to our Discord in the description down below, so please join, come say hi, we'd love to get to know you. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Lush Reveals. I hope you enjoyed everything that we showed you. Let us know down in the comments what you're most excited about. You know, maybe you want to tell us how much you're looking forward to that new merch, because I know that I certainly am. And we hope to see you on the next episode. All the links to everything that we've spoken about in this episode will be found in the description down below. And if you are interested in joining our Discord, that link will also be there too. Hope you had a great time and look forward to seeing you again. Bye.